Friday, January 29th, 2021. We are checking out of Disney's Vero Beach, but we do have a fun day planned.
I've been all around the world, on Main Street, USA. Every city, every place.
Wow, it's a bit choppy out there. We actually have jeans on. We've had wonderful days here, very warm with shorts and t-shirts, but not today. So we're going to Epcot today. I'm so excited. That's what makes checking out okay. Make sure that you have followed along on some of our vlogs on our family channel, Life's a Whirlwind, because some of our days here at Vero Beach are over on that channel. So we are actually going to be filming a review of this room, what we think about it on our drive to Epcot. So stay tuned for that. Actually, that will probably go up. Turn the lights on. That will probably go up before this one. So I hope that you have seen it. I'll try to remember to link it above. So this is how we leave a room. Nothing on the floor. We'll put it in the bathtub. All trash is put up, and the bath towel sinks are always in the sink. This is our 5-night stay cart. Of course, we're coming back with a few extra bags. That's extra. That's extra. That's extra. So long, Disney Vero Beach.
You want to go?
First time I am seeing this in person. Decided to come take a selfie right here before they decide at some point to take this amazing retro looking wall down. Get a load of this, people. They're getting ready to start some fast passes, maybe? Well, fast pass stations here.
Hi, Jeff, you got.
So many butterflies this year, like these three. Then there's one over here, one over here. It's weird seeing all these booths closed though. Tom matches this butterfly, so I'm making him do this one right here. Look at that woman of some age sporting that goonie. You go, woman. It's so odd. Normally it is so congested through here with all the meet and greets. It's abandoned. We are headed up to the DVC Lounge with, it's a little different now because you have to have someone take you to your chairs and spot, and then somebody actually has to get the drink for you because you get free drinks up here. And instead of you going to the machine and getting it, they have to get it for you. I think I forgot to mention the reason we're here. Because his pass is actually good for 3 more days. Mine has expired. But since we were, you know, just what, an hour and 45 minutes away, he still had a pass. And I was a little depressed from missing the arts festival. And did you hear?
Jeez.
It was like, I've been to every art festival and I'm not going to the 5th.
She wouldn't even let me play Disney background art music at night to go to sleep by because it would
Depress me.
Yes.
So I can't believe after all of these years, yeah, I had to buy a ticket to get in. But it made sense because, and that was like a last minute decision. This was not like the original plan.
Yeah, we checked out Friday morning. Don't really have to be back till end of the day Sunday, so.
Yeah, so we're going to stay till closing here, drive a couple hours. We have a hotel in Jacksonville, and then we'll finish the drive home tomorrow. We can tell a difference in the DVC Lounge. Normally it is more crowded than it is now, and these are new. I don't recall these tables. No, they were, yeah, these are definitely new.
Yeah.
Very, like, modern, spacious looking, because they had, like, these types of chairs sitting over here at one time. So those two are, they had more of these. And I don't recall these lamps either. These things right here. These are new. And it used to be we could go up to these and get our drinks ourselves, and now they have them blocked off and a cast member gets it for you. Now they are ready for spring. Yes, they are. Do you ever play the game where you guess somebody's life in a way? I would always do that at airports, out to pass the time. Just kind of guess what their story is.
I always drank beer.
So, I'm a little more creative than he is. So, although if he drinks enough beer, I guess he can be creative. But anyway, so the people that I just showed you, we've decided that they're RVers, and they own one of those really, really big motorhomes. that's what we've decided. So we just found out that he did not know, the artist did not know that his picture, his canvas was picked to be the festival like poster until opening day. Like when he got here is when he found out. This is still weird. Like they still don't have like the smaller pavilion gift shops open. Like the Canada Pavilion gift shop is still closed. Oh my gosh, it's been what, 10 months now?
Start off with a little Canadian bacon.
There it is.
A 1, 2, bibbidi ho. You get to jam with the Epcot Junior Chefs. I love that. Okay, so here's what we need you to do. I'm going to click a rhythm with my sticks. You listen to it. Slap it back to us with your hands with the beat. So it's going to go me, then you, me, then you. All right.
My goodness. We have a stuffed animal for $29.99. Oh my goodness. I just found out he talks in French and English.
So there she goes. She's buying herself a talking rat.
Does this look like the wait time? Maybe it's covered up, and I know it's backlit, but it could possibly be, or it's just like the sign to the ride. Part of me is just like, soft opening, please, please spread some pixie dust for the soft opening while I'm here, because I will not be back until October. So the wall is still up, unfortunately. See, there is a big corral over here for stroller parking. Lots and lots of stroller parking. Oh my gosh, look which one is coming, and it's coming very slowly. I'm gonna wait, hopefully, and be able to get a, oh crud, I'm not gonna be able to because I'm more under it. I wanna get a good picture with the pavilion in the background. Okay, cute water fountain. Very French themed. So you can see the paper here. I'm not going all the way into the other part, just this part. All right, my wonderful friend Jessica let me know about this dragon fruit mousse from, well, it's beside the France pavilion, between the France and Morocco pavilion. So we're gonna try it out. I'm done with all my pictures and vlogging of the food. You are now allowed to eat.
And do you want to know what this is? This is something that I have to wait to eat. That's all I know. I don't even remember what it was. I ordered it.
Is it Morocco where anything goes? It used to be Morocco.
It's very berry-ish.
Very berry-ish.
It's kind of refreshing-ish. Cool.
All right, thank you, Jessica, so much for telling us about that. It was so good. Like, I would order another. Okay, this sounds interesting, although it says spicy, but it's plant-based bratwurst, warm brown sugar stuffed pretzel. Both of those sound good.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. there's